Discover KE Retractable Awnings, available with folding arms, fixed frames, or pergola integration. Crafted from exterior-grade materials, they provide cooling shade and reliable UV protection. To ensure long-lasting performance, here are a few important tips for proper use and maintenance. During the winter months, avoid operating the awning in freezing temperatures. Ice and snow can accumulate in the mechanisms or pinnacle tracks, potentially causing the awning to jam. Remove the fabric valance during the winter months to prevent tearing and extend the life of the fabric. Do not leave the awning extended during windy conditions or when you are away from home. We recommend not to rely on an automatic wind sensor, as a strong, sudden gust of wind may still cause damage. If the awning fabric gets wet due to weather, extend the awning on the next dry and sunny day to prevent mold. Keep the awning mechanisms clear of obstructions such as a bird's nest, insect nest, or snow and ice buildup. For fabric maintenance, remove debris such as leaves and branches and wipe the fabric down with a mild detergent to prevent stains and remove dirt. For specific cleaning instructions, please review the Sunbrella Cleaning Guide. Once per year, check and replace batteries for your remote and wind sensor to ensure consistent operation of your motorized awning. We are excited for you to enjoy your new KE awning, bringing shade and comfort to your deck, patio, porch, or pergola. Your outdoor space just got a stylish upgrade.